Good morning, friends. Okay, so do you remember yesterday when I read the story about Kate the Chameleon? And I read a story about the lizards in the window. These stories are very similar because they talk about what? They talk about lizards. So I'm going to read you a poem about two thin lizards. Okay. Two thin lizards on my windowsill. One named Jack, one named Jill. Eating mosquitoes and bugs one by one. Enjoying ants for desserts when they're done. Two fat lizards on my windowsill. One named Jack, one named Jill. Does that remind you of the lizards in the window? Remember when they ate all of those bugs that their tummies grew dark pink? That's because their bellies were full. So these are the lizards that we're talking about. One named Jack and one named Jill. So now they're not thin lizards anymore. They are fat lizards. Good job, friends. Okay, so now we're going to read another story about another lizard. And her name is Sarah Sydney. Sarah Sydney's Special Day. This title is very special because it uses alliteration. And alliteration is when you would have the same letter for each word. So Sarah Sydney Special. That's called alliteration. And I don't know, do you remember this book? We've read this book, Theme 2. It's been a while. But guess what? I get to reintroduce it to you. And this book is about a real animal, an iguana. Okay? And she's a type of lizard. And she wants to have fun. And I want you to tell me what are the things that she dreamed of doing that was fun. Okay? So Sarah Sydney's Special Day. Sarah Sydney dozes in the morning sun, dreaming of something to do for fun. Maybe she can entertain the cat with a cha-cha dance and a funny hat, or shake things up with her electric guitar, striking the chords like a famous rock star. Suddenly, Sarah Sydney has an amazing thought, and it will work if she doesn't get caught. Her plan is to hide in the bag by the door. She remembers where the bag took her before. She snuggles in close to a bottle of lotion, and moments later, the bag is in motion. Sarah's special day is beginning, and the thought of the fun starts her head spinning. When Sarah emerges and feels the sun on her skin, there are almost too many sights for her to take in. Her owner is shocked to see her come out of her bag, but giggles when she sees Sarah's head bob and wag. She says, "Come on, Sarah Sydney, let's walk the shore. We can fill up our bucket with treasures galore. I'll take you out for a swim in the tide. We'll find a nice wave we both can ride." After riding waves and collecting seashells, Sarah watches dolphins in the ocean swell. Then on a blanket under a cabana, Sarah's owner tosses her grapes and pieces of banana. When Sarah Sidney returns home, she dozes in the setting sun, dreaming of her special day of ocean fun. Can you tell me what she dreamed of doing that day? And did she have a really good time? Good job, friends. All right, that concludes our story for today. Bye.